Now the bass is something I really like a lot because the bass combines both real bass, like electric bass, as well as synthetic bass. The first of which is E-bass. And there are 2 layers. One's a DI. I recorded it and then I time corrected it using Elastic Audio. You can see it's written X form right there. I typically do that with bass playing, guitars, anything, because I like really tight timing, so that is my way of doing it. That's really quick. Then for the subby electronic stuff, it's only 3 parts, and we have the top, which is just doing this kind of dubsteppy womp 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 kind of thing, but it really adds a lot of motion to the track. And you hear it in the track itself. The minute it kicks in, like it carries a lot of weight to it.